Let me get this straight, guys. First of all, I was born without my permission. That's one thing. Second of all, my future is in my hands. Like, what am I supposed to do with it? I'm cooked. I'm cooked.
Roses are red, the chopper go fa-fa. When I laugh at 3 a.m. you hear
Abunda la caca.
Hey, bro, give me your phone. Hey, bro, give before Thomas comes.
Don't run! Don't run! It does survive!
Bye, peanut. Wat de poes gaan nou aan, bra. Wie is nou in die fucking kas? Zeker je fucking oma. Ja, fuck, het is lastig. Jezus is dom, nee. Brenda! Moet mij niet los, niet! Nee, die gaan ze niet fucking takken, bra. Wat de nee gaan je met die fucking klein lighter maak, bra? Ga niks maak hier. Help my fucking Brenda. Oh, poep, wat de fuck is dat?